Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know it, we got to talk about yesterday's whisper. So yesterday, I couldn't find anything I liked on the long side. Still bearish on the SPY after all of those sell prints, those late dark pool sell prints that I've been posting on StockTwits and Twitter. It's great. I take pictures of them so that you can learn how to trade around the dark pool. Bearish with, it actually hit my target, 208.75. Didn't even bounce yesterday. That's how weak it was. So knew we were going to go down to that next level, 207.50, which we hit pre-market. I did tweet that out. Usually they like to see a retest of that pre-market activity, so keep an eye on that. There are no prints coming in yet. However, if you study pivots, the pivot point on the SPY is 208.92. So if it breaks above that, that would be a bullish technical signal. So keep your eye on that. But of course, we're going to wait and see what prints come in. All right, so we were rocking it in the Java pit on the short side yesterday. A lot of us were trading it using the SPY puts. Robert had a phenomenal trade on the 209.50s, 28% he made. Ron was trading UVXY, another way you can short the market. Two amazing trades on that. Dan had a phenomenal trade with the SPY puts as well. I was rocking it. The Java pit was hot. Leslie had a phenomenal trade on EJ off these prints we spotted right at the pre-market, actually, at about $6, and I think it was 7 cents or 5 cents. And look at this thing, right? Following the prints. She had a couple of trades on that. The Cowboy rocked EJ as well. Johnny Rocket rocked Dust. Let's see. Oh, the trader of the day. Oh, before I get to that, Alessio, the Italian stallion, had 3 phenomenal swings on Lulu, Tesla, and Apple. Oh, Robert also had a great trade on the VXX overnight. And Rig, great swing trading, boys. But the trader of the day, the day trader, goes to Kent, a.k.a. Superman, we call him. You know, Kent, you traded perfectly on the levels yesterday. You shorted MGM. He shorted HLT, and those were perfectly executed trades, Kent, on the level. So proud to see you doing that. Tracy, I have to give a shout out to her. Tracy rocked Fey, F-E-Y-E, the cyber hacking stock, for $2.47. This was my #1 master swing pick in my last class. Every 3 months, I do a master swing class in my boot camp workshop. It hit my target yesterday. I couldn't believe it. $52.50. I made 9 points on this. This was phenomenal. My next class, September 14th. If you want to sign up, there's a couple spots left. You can see the info up on my website, or you can shoot me an email. Another stock in my master swing class that's been rocking, PANW. Look at this thing. Hasn't stopped. Keep your eye, you guys that were in the class, on lock. If you recall, my target entry was on a break up through the 16 level with a target of 18. That's my T-spot. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, still bearish on the SPY. All right, but I have my eye on some oil and gas stocks. Let's see, we got UGAS. So a nice print on this guy at $2.12 on my block trade indicator, 100,000 shares. Spotted ARCA doing a little refreshing there, but he left. So bullish above 212 with the target of 225 on that guy. Also have my eye on USO. Going to be bullish above the 20 level. All right, when there's no resistance up above there. All right, so watch that 20. I like when it pulls back down again and then breaks up through it, so keep your eye on that. Gold has been hot. The dollar, the UUP is below that 25 level. That's huge. So keep your eye on gold and oil. IAG, a bunch of us are swinging this in the Java Pit trading room already. Look at the volume that was there yesterday. 225 is a first target, and then about $2.37 for the second target. So come watch me trade these stocks and so many more. I whisper all day long in the Java Pit trading room at www.thestockwhisper.com. It's only $9.95 for a 30-day trial membership. You got nothing to lose. Happy trading, everybody.